You don't want to scratch with your fingernails once you get down to the skin, because that skin can become sensitive.
But I can, like, scratch it with my fingertips? Okay.
What to do is just kind of open it up.
Oh.
And there's an arm under there. How about that? Okay, we'll have you just kind of take your wrist and lift your arm.
Told you it was bleeding.
Not much though.
Oh my gosh. That's what was...
Wow. Oh, it stopped recording.
Because you're taking pictures.